everybody. We're here with Melody today. Hi, Melody. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. For those of you watching, we're here today with Melody because she's going to share her story about her patient's results with DiLollo Chiropractic. Now, Melody, what initially brought you in to see Dr. DiLollo?
I had shooting pains in my hip and lower back pain, and when I was at work, I would lean back to fold clothes or lean too far forward, and I felt like I was crushing my spine.
Okay. And so you, assuming when you're saying folding clothes, you work in retail?
Mm-hmm.
So that's long hours?
8 hours on your feet.
Okay. And was there anything else? I see here that you were wanting to, I guess, start training for a half marathon?
Yes. I was going to run Chicago that September, and when I was running, I felt awkward and off, like something wasn't where it was supposed to be, I guess, would be how I would describe it. It was like my leg was not landing where it should have.
Okay, all right. And what kind of results did you start seeing?
When I feel like my hips are level, so they're straight. When I run, I can run a straight line. I don't feel like I'm going crooked. I work at work 8 hours a day. I don't have that same crushing feeling that I have. I feel like I'm standing up straight, which is fantastic.
No, that's awesome. And were you able to run in the marathon this past September?
I did. I actually did the half marathon in Chicago in September, and then I went and ran a half marathon in Disney in February.
Oh, that's awesome. And I also have another question for you. Have you seen any type of positive results from coming here that you didn't initially come in for?
Yes, I have asthma, and it's mostly exercise induced.
How long have you had asthma for?
7 years. I think I was diagnosed with it about 7 years ago.
Okay, and how long were you using your inhaler? Like per day or just for activity?
It was mostly when I was running. After 2 miles, I would notice if I started pushing maybe just a tiny bit off of a regular jog, I would have a lot of trouble breathing. And it wasn't because I was out of shape, it was just my lungs were not doing what they were supposed to, I guess. And I did the 2 half marathons, and I haven't used my inhaler.
That's awesome. I'm sure you're really happy about that.
Oh, yes.
All right, well, thank you so much for sharing your story.
You're welcome.
And I hope that everyone out there is listening, takes a Melody's advice and comes on in.